Hello guys, this is Colton. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing our first packet tracer lab, which is 1.0.5, Logical and Physical Mode Exploration. The objectives of this assignment come in 6 parts, starting with investigating the bottom toolbar, investigating the devices in our wiring closet, connecting end devices to networking devices, installing a backup router, configuring the hostname, and exploring the rest of the network. The scenario we're in here is we're just going to review and check out what a typical medium to large size network would look like, or small to medium. All the devices and everything are already deployed and configured. They're all set up. So we're just going to review these and check out the deployment. All right. So part 1 is investigating the bottom toolbar. It is asking us to check out what are the subcategories for network devices. The answer to this question is just down here. We have the bar here showing all the devices and their subcategories. The answer to this question just starts with routers, switches, hubs, wireless devices, security, and WAN emulation. That is the answer for this question here. Part 2 is we're going to investigate the devices in the wiring closet. So we're going to get into Seward here, which is the city on top. Click the branch office. We're going into the wiring closet. We got our rack here with our pre-configured devices. These are all already running. We have our table, our PC1, our laptop 1, cable pegboard with over types cables, and a shelf with extra devices should we need them. Okay, so now we can move on to part 3. We're going to connect the end devices to the networking devices. We are going to get a copper straight through cable up here from our cable pegboard. It's this green guy here. Connect that to the fast Ethernet of PC1, and we're going to go to ALS2 switch, which is just the second one down here, and we can connect to any one of these empty fast Ethernet ports. We have now gotten our progress up to 16%. All right, so this step is done. Now we're going to grab a console cable, one of these blue ones, and we are going to hit the RS232 port on PC1, and we have to connect this into the console port of the edge router, which is this second to the top device up here. Connect it right there. We're now up to 33%. All right. So we're going to also install our backup router on part 4. On our shelf here, we have our backup router. So we're just going to drag this over to our rack here and put that in here. All right, now that that is installed, we have hit 50% completion. And this is not turned on when we put it in the rack. So we got to inspect the rear and hit the rightmost button over here to turn that on. Make sure it's functioning. We're now up to 66%. We're going to grab a USB cable, hit the inspect rear button again. Our USB console is on the left, and we're going to connect this to laptop 1. Any one of these USB ports is good. So we have that connected from these 2 devices. We are at 83%. All right. So now we are going to configure the host name here on backup router. We can do this by just going into laptop 1, our desktop terminal. We hit OK. And we do not need to enter this initial configuration dialog, so we can just type no. Hit return to get started. And we have the commands down here. We're going to hit enable to go into privileged exec mode. Configure terminal, so we can start configuring this router. And here's our host name. So we're just going to type in host name, edge, router, backup. I did not type that right, hold on. There we go. Okay, so that is the last step. We have hit 100%. Now this assignment has been concluded. If you guys would like some extra practice in this assignment, you can explore the rest of the network. This is part 6, and just get familiarized with how a small to medium network is set up and deployed, and get some good review. But that has concluded this video. I hope this has helped you guys out. I will be uploading my next video next week. And make sure to like and subscribe to be part of the community, and you can anticipate more videos coming soon to help you improve in your IT skills and develop an IT career. Thank you for watching.